Photosynthesis is a series of chemical reactions in the chloroplast of leaf cells during which light energy from the sun breaks apart water and carbon dioxide molecules. The atom then reform as glucose and oxygen molecules. Plants are then able to use the chemical energy in glucose for growth and other functions. Ecosystems depend on photosynthesis because it allows plants to grow and be a source of energy, nutrients, and oxygen for all animals. Number 1. Which claim is correct? Photosynthesis takes place A. Mainly in stems of plants, B. Mainly in leaves of plants, C. Mainly in the roots of a plant, or D. Mainly in the flower of a plant. Number 2. What evidence from the information above supports this claim? A. Oxygen and carbon dioxide exit the leaf of the plant. B. Sunlight is absorbed through the roots. C. Light energy from the sun breaks apart water and carbon dioxide molecules. Or D. Oxygen is carried through the stem to the rest of the plant. Number 3. What scientific reasoning supports your evidence? A. Photosynthesis takes place in the parts of a plant that receive the most sunlight because the sunlight cannot be stored and sent to other parts of the plant. B. Photosynthesis takes place in the roots because water is absorbed by the roots. C. Photosynthesis takes place in the bark because they pull in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Or D. The stem of a plant is only for transporting water and nutrients. Part 2. Literacy. Read the text and answer the questions. What is the difference between cellular respiration and photosynthesis? You have probably gotten used to the fact that sunlight makes objects warmer. This happens because the energy in light is transferred to the object's atom, causing them to move faster or heat up. However, most plants are able to use this light energy in a different way, to break apart water and carbon dioxide molecules in the chloroplast of plant cells. The newly separated atoms then reassemble into oxygen and glucose molecules. The energy that was in the light is now in the chemical bonds of the glucose. This process is called photosynthesis and is one of the most important energy transformations on Earth. But that's only half the story. Why glucose? Glucose is one of the simple forms of food, which means it can be easily broken down by plants and animals for its chemical energy. When glucose is combined with oxygen in the mitochondrion of cells, the glucose breaks apart, releasing energy in little packets called ATP, which can be used anywhere in the cells. After the energy is released, the newly separated atoms from the glucose and oxygen reassemble into water and carbon dioxide. This process is called cellular respiration, and in a way is the opposite of photosynthesis. Number 4. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are similar because A. They both require glucose to begin. B. They both use light energy. C. They both take in oxygen. Or D. They both involve the same chemical materials. Number 5. Cellular respiration is different from photosynthesis because A. Cr makes glucose. B. Cr is only in animal cells. C. Cr breaks glucose up to release energy. Or D. Cr produces oxygen. Part 3. Vocabulary. Use the definitions in the answer choices for questions 6 through 10. A. The chemical breakdown of sugar for its energy. B. The location in a cell where cellular respiration takes place. C. A chemical reaction converting light energy into chemical energy. D. The location in a cell where photosynthesis takes place. E. A molecule produced by the chemical reaction between carbon dioxide and water with the help of light energy. Number 6. Glucose. Number 7. Chloroplast. Number 8. Mitochondria. Number 9, cellular respiration, and number 10, photosynthesis.